Hey everyone, what's going on? Evan here. I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while. Let's just say I took on way too much mowing this year. That being said, I recently picked up the Flex Chute, the new Flex Chute by Spencer Products, or as we know them as Spencer Lawn Care, and I've been putting this thing through the ringer. I've been testing this thing. Do I recommend this product? Well, you're about to find out.
The Flex Chute by Spencer Products is well built. It's entirely built out of steel. It has an oscillating steering wheel type of swivel designed to open and close the discharge, and it mounts right onto the multi-force deck with the provided mounts already on the deck. The Flex Chute is controlled by a black steel bar and handle, and it actually mounts to the deck transport bar. It's really easy to install. The footage you are seeing here is a series of tests I did with the Flex Chute. Some of the times I had the Flex Chute completely closed, and other times I had it just a quarter open or 3/4 of the way shut. And I actually like the 3/4 of the way shut option on this thing. I think it does a phenomenal job still blocking leaves and grass from getting everywhere. So the footage you see here is with the chute blocker 3/4 of the way shut or a quarter of the way open. I think it did a great job at still containing the grass here. I am very pleased with this. I'm also pleased with this shot. As you can see here, I'm shooting grass right towards the street. This is a quarter of the way open or 3/4 of the way shut, and this blocker Flex Chute is doing an amazing job keeping the grass really contained on the grass. The multi-force has a turbo force deck, and it can literally shoot grass 4 and sometimes 5 passes. This is pretty awesome. The sped up footage you see here is with the Flex Chute blocker all the way closed. There's a decent amount of leaves there, and I think it does a really good job mulching them up. I think this is pretty cool. Now it's time to change things up here. I kind of want to give you a point of view shot of how this chute blocker looks like when you're mowing. Again, 3/4 of the way down, a quarter of the way open. Decent amount of leaves here on the street. Grass is pretty long. It's doing an awesome job. I'm going to let this footage roll for a little bit, and then we'll get to some footage where the blocker is completely shut. Here's some footage of the blocker being completely shut. Does a really good job mulching up these big brown baggy type paper leaves. So I want to go back to some more footage of the blocker being a quarter of the way open because I really like this shot. Long grass, decent amount of leaves, and to actually get the blocker to stay a quarter of the way open, you shut it really slow and it will kind of catch. You can actually do it quickly, then kind of stop it just before, and it will kind of catch also. It takes some finesse, but it's a really cool feature of this Flex Chute. The accessibility of the Flex Chute handle is actually really nice. It's not as far away from the operating handles as you see here. I can grab this and it's with ease. I can mow with one hand, and the Flex Chute is really easy to open and close.
Well, there you have it, guys. I do recommend this product. I think Sean and Savannah did an amazing job brainstorming, putting this product together, putting it on the market for the multi-force. I think it will actually be coming out for other mowers too. I have a Cub Cadet Pro X660. I'm sure they're going to. I think Sean said they're wanting to release it for riding mowers as well. But for the price point, I think it was $350. You can't beat it. Go out and get one.